We have our Rotary Parlors that can reduce the amount of manpower needed to get the job done.
I come from a farm that milked 150 cows, and now to build the stuff that's bigger, better, faster is pretty neat.
We go all the way from 32 stall to 120 stall rotaries, and it drastically reduces the amount of manual labor for the farmer.
What we build here in Galesville is shipped out to customers all around the world.
We were starting to talk about parlors, and we were concerned about pricing, but also availability. We had tariffs coming in, disruption in the Middle East. We were very much relieved when we found out the manufacturing was going to be done in Wisconsin. The things that kept me up at night, I was able to mark that one off my list.
American made. We're very good at what we do.
You're able to milk so many more cows per day.
A product that they can rely on, that will last. It's changed so much from like Model T to a Mustang. It's amazing to me.
The innovation that's coming will be industry changing.
They're always trying to bring the future into the picture.
The quality and craftsmanship matters.
It's rewarding. I like to make long-lasting parts, and that's what we do at GEA.
Because of our specialized markets, innovation is an anchor. I've always felt proud that we welcome innovation.
Our dairy equipment, what we built, is really cool to see that stuff out there.
One of the exciting things that we discovered with our Rotary is the calmness of our cows. When they're on the Rotary, they're chewing their cuds, they seem very relaxed.
We have the engineers and the people on staff that are able to work together, problem solve, develop, and put together plans to make the end product, and we've done it well.
Everybody that we have come into communication with has been just very helpful, very approachable, and open to working with us.
I guess if I had to describe this parlor in one word, I would say magnificent.
I get a sense of fulfillment because when we come together, we're a family and we're here together to get the job done. What we do here matters, and there's always going to be a need for it.
We're engineering
For a better world.